So it's a nice night tonight, and I decided I was going to get out of the house. So I'm in my camper. Yeah, it's a little dirty, needs to be painted. There's the bolts for the solar protruding. Need to cut them down a little bit. Here's my solar system. This battery's fully charged. Charging up my phone right now. I'm going to show you what the thing is. There it is, the light's on. Got my view right here. Isn't that pretty? View of the water. And I'm crazy ass Noel sitting here. Just about ready to crash out. Got my poles here. If I wake up, got everything here. Nice setup. Got my blanket. I got my pillows, as you can see here. Got my little lights here that come on. I'll show you. They're pretty bright. I mean, they do the job. I have two of these. One there, one here. When it gets too dark, I can see. So I got water. I bought some drinks. So, yeah. Got a couple drinks there. But yeah. I'm gonna crash here tonight.